My people na do una wey be say no be the first time when I reach my channel be this. Una welcome back. Una wey be say na the first time when I take una to kuro I see me now be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Summer. Before I continue today's video, may I quickly remind you say you see that red button there where they write subscribe. Make you click am so that you go subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the bang notification say I don't upload new video. Now so una do well. So for this video, I want to talk the matter where be say it did news recently up and down. The matter I don't read that for this side. Watch the video here. Hear the discussion up and down. But I never really pull mouth. Today I say make I put mouth. So this matter now about one girl. This girl they say a 15-year-old girl. This girl be. But they say this girl be. They can't show this video. They say the girl they marry one. Bobo, where they say the Bobo girl, which they call what you they call Down syndrome. But they can't show this wedding. When they show this wedding, you know, they look this small girl, 15-year-old girl, carry small pikin for hand. 15-year-old girl already born. Some people talk for come and say, no be small pikin again, she already born. Nobody know as he take get the belle, take God born that pikin. Whether the belle where he get, the man where follow waka to get that belle, whether na by force they force the girl do the thing, I be the girl just do the thing with her own mind. Nobody tell us for that one. Una know say for our country, all this kind of thing they happen sometimes. When we say small girl, somebody force her, nobody go know the story. They go just leave her like that. No, now today we know now for our country they happen where we say small girl, one man don't they shook body for her body before. Nobody go know. The girl feel no girl leave her to tell anybody. What it don't happen. But don't go they no talk what make the girl get belle born pikin already. 15-year-old girl. 15-year-old girl was supposed to still day school. 15-year-old, he carry small pikin for hand. They can't carry her, they give. They can't carry her, they give this man. Make the man marry. My owner say, I know they discriminate. It no matter whether person get problem, if the person has Down syndrome, it no matter. It no matter whether the man will get one problem or the other. That will not be where the problem dey. Not be where the problem dey. Where the problem there, I say, she na the man himself say, I won't marry this girl. And the girl say, I won't marry the man. I been people force them say it go happen. Because as I look that man that day, I'm not sure say I he decide. I'm not sure say now he make it. Now you sure say he make up his mind say today I won't marry a woman. So if the man no plan say he won't marry a woman and the girl no be the one who say I fall in love, my heart is made tori for this man. Now be say two of them no do what they call consent. They no do one. So how people go do that? I can't read somewhere say they say the family of the Bobo say they want make the Bobo born pikin. Make he born pikin, make he born his own pikin. Now make they just arrange this whole thing. Chena must to born pikin. Not be most to born pikin now. I don't understand. I wait till I read for internet and they talk. So my own thing I say if the Bobo no tell you I say he won't marry. And then the girl no being this say me and the Bobo we fall in love, say we won't marry each other. Why they would they arrange all this kind of thing? It no good now. Me I get children. I get daughter where they 16. This year now I go make 17. I get another one where just turn 15. They school. I not go happy say my pikin of that age they go marry husband for that small age. You know, this thing when I see that news, it pay me for body because as mother we get picking of that age, it pay me for body. Although they say Anambra state government don't put mouth say they not go let this kind of thing happen. They don't put an end. Quick, they put an end for the matter. They put an end. They say they put eye for the matter. Say that they investigate what really happened. And I'm happy say they put mouth because the whole thing be as it get. Even for civilized country, anybody feel do what they want to do. But say that they decide for their mind say they won't do one. But this is what they see now. No be say I'm not sure say that Bobo decide say he won't marry this girl. So the thing no good for eye at all. It's not good for eye. I don't know that when I see this news. I just say may I share this news. They gonna show another news again. They gonna say one girl like that don't say in here say the Bobo get brother will get money. Say as the Bobo get brother will get money, he go marry the Bobo. He no mind, he go marry the Bobo, say he need the money. Say but Jira say before he go start her, say the Bobo brother will get money, go first start business for her. Say he no mind, he go marry her. Say as they say the other girl no day age, no day for the right age. Say in the right age, say be 18 or be 19. He ready to marry the Bobo because they say the Bobo brother get money. Now so they talk. So I don't know whether I go work out for those one. At least she decides say she won't do. But she don't make a clear saying she don't even make a clear saying money you want to do. So she no hide her. I like those people who they hide their mind. When they pretend. She talk her own from day one. But my people, how una see this kind of thing? Whether I don't know how una see this news. If una see, I'm gonna let me know how una see this kind of matter. For a person who get Down syndrome, when no feel make decision to marry small girl of 15 years, we never reach to decide that kind of thing for her life. And to even see 15-year-old girl already get picky. How una see this matter? Because me I no believe in ordinary eye that girl take carry belle at the age of 15. 15. And even for the whole thing, they never even show the papa and the mama who born this pikin, we born this girl. Whether waiting be their own opinion for the matter. They don't even show the girl, papa and mama we born her. Make we know how they take agree for this kind of matter. Wetin be una mind? Make una put mouth for this matter. Make una write comments. Make I know wetin be una mind for this matter. My people, as I don't talk rich like that, make I leave her for there. Until next time, una do well say una come watch my video. Until next time, una bye bye you, and bye bye.